tap, right? Does anyone know the boxing rule 1-to-1? Okay, boxing rule 1-to-1. Here's the thing. When he taps, it's always the same side. You never cross tap. Because in boxing, if you cross tap, you invite that shot. If I cross tap his cross, there, I invite the hook. So you never cross tap. Never. Boxing straight up. You start any boxing school, you do this, poof, hook to the face. So when he jabs, it's the same side that taps, okay? Now you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna tap this one. As you do this, you're gonna move your head to the side. In boxing, it's called a slip, like that. But I'm not that good, so I'm going to tap this one just to make sure. So switch sides. As he jabs, up to the side, just a little bit. So you want to make sure his fist goes over your shoulder, and notice how I'm tapping it, there. You don't want to tap just like that. You just want to get a nice touch, you know where it is, okay? Now, the next one you're gonna do is you're gonna do a split entry eye jab. When he jabs, can anyone see? Can anyone like this closer? Thank you. Now when he jabs, you're gonna tap this, and then you're gonna go right down the middle like in Star Wars, and you're gonna score right here. So again, that's your eye jab. See it? That's your split entry, so you're hitting right here. Don't swing it out here, because his other hand will block. You wanna come right as close as this one as possible. Here, right? If you're worried, sandwich your hands. Like this, sandwich it. But this is the problem. If you sandwich, you're open to the cross. You see that? Because that means I'm taking it here, so it's right there. But if you slip, you're inside that cross. If he throws the cross, you have the same program you did the other day. You see? So it overlaps. So again, there. Get that? That's what you do. For the ones who are at the dirty boxing thing, those of you who attended the Panatukan class, when you go here, there's your gunting. And now you can control with the rest of your combinations. So simple one, split entry. Simple one, with a little bit of spice, your gunting, and then you have your back fist, and you control with your combination. So switch sides. Split entry here, right? And then finish. So again, that's your first one. That's intercepting number one. That's because it's during the punch. For those of you who can do the dirty boxing element, you might as well take it because it's for free. When I say for free, that means when I'm doing this motion, I'm already passing this line. So I might as well take the nerve here, and I might as well back the fist there. So I get more for my back, for my shot. There. And when you hit somebody like this, usually there's a reaction. See, his head will go back. Now there's your opening. If you don't believe me, put a motorcycle helmet on and just take it as a punch. And when you hit this guy, the face will either pop up or the face will pop down, but the arm will still be there. Trust me, every time. So again, split entry, here. If you only want to do the split entry, just there. Again, there.